today. Those are the visuals that we are tracking for you. My colleague Mehendi is going to be joining us very shortly, but for now those are the developments that we are tracking, flashing right on your screens. But of course the Bharatiya Janata Party is slated to present its first budget, which is likely to be titled Viksit Delhi. All right, Mehendi is with us on the broadcast. Mehendi, what more details can you share with us as far as this meeting is concerned?
Well, it's Avi, right now the session has started and the budget will be presented today, and earlier this session the cabinet ministers hold a big meeting where all cabinet ministers were there along with CM Rekha Gupta. It was the last meeting that happened before the session started, and right now the session has been started, and in some time now the chief minister and also the finance minister Rekha Gupta will be presenting the Viksit Delhi budget, and as per the BJP leaders, they are very much confident that this budget will be historic for the people of the Delhi, and the budget will constitute each and everything as promised by the BJP, and all benefits would be provided to the all sections of the society. So these are the big we can say promises that have been done by the BJP before presenting the budget, and now anytime soon CM and the finance minister Rekha Gupta will be presenting the budget in the session. Yes, Asari.
Absolutely. Mehendi, stay on with us. We have some more breaking news coming in, where Delhi Assembly Speaker Vijendra Gupta has spoken on BJP's budget presentation today. Gupta states that today is going to be a new beginning and the budget is going to live up to the expectations of the Delhi citizens. Listen in.
एक नई शुरुआत होने जा रही है। बजट सत्र का दूसरा दिन है और आज दिल्ली की वित्त मंत्री जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं श्रीमती रेखा गुप्ता जी बजट पेश करेंगी, और खुशी की बात यह है कि इस मौके पर एलजी गैलरी में उत्तर प्रदेश के स्पीकर श्री सतीश महाना जी उपस्थित रहेंगे।